Bullish Axie limitlessness cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $28.49 and $62.05 by 2030. Market investigators accept Axie could reach $28.49 by 2025. Bearish Axie endlessness market cost expectation for 2022 is $5.07. Axie endlessness presentation. Axie endlessness is a computerized pet local area that joins the best of blockchain innovation with customary gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure certifiable prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Be that as it may, what makes Axie endlessness special is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to possess their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axies. These Axies can be exchanged, reproduced, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie vastness? Axie limitlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be collected from parts. The game elements a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game money, Axie, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with ongoing interaction. There is likewise a milestones mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thusly based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neurotransmitter Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in fame. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, journey framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new satisfied and includes a normal premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and irresistible pet recreation game with a lot of profundity and replay esteem, make certain to look at Axie boundlessness. Axie limitlessness crucial investigation. The group behind Axie limitlessness is exceptionally capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for north of 2 years and has a huge local area of dynamic clients. Axie limitlessness is one of the most well-known games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by day-to-day dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and different ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 unmistakable body parts accessible for these Axies, including seagoing, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any blend of body parts, making them entirely inconsistent and regularly phenomenal and interesting. Parts from each sort class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, intriguing, very uncommon, and incredible. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies. Not at all like a few other blockchain-based battling and rearing games. Proprietors of Axie tokens can before long stake their tokens to get steady payouts. Holders of Axie will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, rather than specific other stakeable resources. Axie vastness current cost. Axie vastness is at present worth $6.33 USD. Axie has moved 1.67% as of now with an exchanging volume of $34,960,251. Axie vastness is at present positioned 54 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $605,588,124 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Axie boundlessness to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Axie endlessness value expectation 2023. In 2023, Axie endlessness Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $15.83. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Axie's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $12.66 and a typical exchanging cost of $13.93. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $22.16 and Axie might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $20.26 and a low of $19 in 2024. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2025. Assuming that Axie vastness effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2025. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $28.49, with a base cost of $25.33 and a typical cost of $26.59. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $32.92 by 2026, with a base cost of $31.66 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Axie has a most extreme value worth of $34.82. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $39.26. On the off chance that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $41.16. Neglecting to assemble the help Axie needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $37.99. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2028. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $44.32 and a yearly cost close above $47.49 in 2028. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Axie Vastness will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $50.65 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $53.82, averaging out at $51.92. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging as a troublesome errand makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Axie cost in 2030 is projected to be $62.05 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $59.52. And so what does the future hold for Axie Vastness? The truth will come out eventually. However, assuming that the past is any marker, we can anticipate extraordinary things from this promising task. Make certain to watch out for Axie as it proceeds with its rising to becoming one of the top digital currencies on the planet. What is the Axie Endlessness cost today? Today, Axie Vastness is exchanging at $6.33 with an all-out market capitalization of $605,588,124. Is Axie Vastness a wise speculation? Axie Vastness ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Axie is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Axie limitlessness at any point go? The typical cost of Axie Vastness might conceivably reach $8.86 this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Axie Endlessness might outperform $41.16. What amount will Axie Limitlessness be worth in 5 years? In light of the